Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the phone now. Confirm your Moto model and Android version so you know which menus appear. Open the phone app, tap the three-dot menu, then Settings and look for Call Recording. Turn off the recording toggle immediately. This stops automatic captures during calls. Once done, go to Permissions and revoke storage or microphone access tied to call recording. This prevents residual files and cuts off the recorder at the system level, which is why you do both steps. Next, make sure no app outside the phone app is listening. Go to Settings, Apps, see All Apps and enable Show System Apps. Tap apps you don't recognize or any call recorder, open permissions, and deny microphone and storage. Also check accessibility. Some call recording or assistant apps request access there and can capture audio, so toggle those off. Finally, verify your default calling or recorder app isn't set to auto-record. These steps remove alternate audio paths that keep recording even after phone app is disabled. Finish by rebooting and making a controlled test call to confirm recordings have stopped. If you still hear recordings or see saved files, boot into safe mode. This temporarily disables third-party apps so you can determine if a downloaded app is responsible. If safe mode stops the recording, uninstall recently added apps one at a time. Only consider backup and factory reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If recording persists in safe mode, contact Motorola support. It may be a carrier or firmware level feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.